The iPhone 11 Pro was released by Apple in Pakistan at a fair price. The company is known for its smartphone technology, and they want to release the Apple iPhone 11 Pro because they haven't put out a new phone in a while. People were looking forward to the company's new smartphone. It seems appealing. Bionic is what makes the phone work. The 11th generation iPhones will benefit from this chip. The Society and 3/4 GB of RAM in the phone make it a high-end model. Apple's iPhone 11 Pro has either 128 GB or 256 GB of built-in storage. The Apple 11 Pro doesn't have a special spot for adding more memory, but the company's phone does. The device's memory might be able to hold a lot of information. The cameras on the back of the iPhone 11 Pro are set up in a different way. Main sensor, ultra-wide lens, and depth sensor. The iPhone 11 Pro has a front-facing camera with 12 megapixels. The new smartphone is powered by a 3190 mAh Li-ion battery. A smartphone's battery is good enough. On the 11 Pro, the fingerprint reader is hidden under the screen to keep it safe. This is bad for Samsung.